Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Foldable phones just got a little more interesting, with confirmation from another report that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra is on the way and sooner than we thought. Android Headlines reports that its sources have confirmed the phone's existence, and that it'll arrive this summer along with the other new devices during Unpacked. That means we're probably getting the biggest shakeup Samsung's folding phone offering has been given in a while. In fact, the last time its annual folding phone offering changed this much was probably when it launched the Z Flip as a smaller clamshell choice. Regardless, the Z Fold 6 Ultra will be the first time there's an Ultra phone that folds and will seemingly get a spec boost compared to the standard Z Fold 6, which will still be detailed as normal. That said, the biggest gap in our understanding of the Z Fold 6 Ultra right now remains its specs. Although there have been plenty of leaks and reports around the standard Z Fold 6, very few of these have had any details about the Ultra model. It's been widely reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will arrive with largely the same camera module as last year's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which might not mean there are no advancements where photos and videos are concerned, but also doesn't exactly sound ideal if it's also true of the Ultra. In fact, even more concerning is that it's also been mentioned in some reports that the Z Fold 6 Ultra could be a South Korean exclusive, at least at first. That would take the wind out of some people's sails if they were hoping to pick it up elsewhere. This isn't confirmed by any means though, at this stage merely being indicated heavily by the database model numbers being used by Samsung. Still, one thing that Android Headlines does confidently assert is that the Z Fold 6 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset at its heart, which would mean that it performs extremely powerfully under stress tests. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.